Hi, my name is Pawan and I'm a senior bartender at Tango Tamari. So we are going to make a Red Lotus. It's an in-house cocktail. First of all, we are going to pour 30 ml of yuzu puree, 20 ml of sugar syrup, $15 ml of lime juice. It's a fresh lime juice which we are going to add. Add some ice. And give it a hard shake. We are using a vodka infused with the hibiscus tea. It's a real hibiscus flower. We kept it for 48 hours for infusion. Okay, so we are pouring a 60 ml. It will be a dehydrated orange. And we are adding a edible flower as well as a garnish. So Red Lotus cocktail is ready. Enjoy.